Welcome back, class. So let us continue from where we had stopped in the last class. So that was left out with Shylock's speech. Now what Shylock says? Okay, Shylock, before handing over the money, what is saying to Antonio? Signor Antonio. If Signor Antonio means sir, respected. Okay, respect, giving respect. So you remember in the Rialto is a stock exchange place. Okay, you remember that you have abused me for monetary transactions, for all those transactions, that business transactions we used to do. So you used to abuse me for that, for my practice of charging interest, for my way of taking interest from people. Do you remember that? I have always suffered the insults. Okay, the shrug of shoulder for the patience of forbearance and the characteristic mark of all the Jews. I have beared so much of interest that these insults that you have done to me. You call me a heathen, you called me a murderer, you called me a dog. Okay, and you spit it upon my Jewish Cappadine. You remember that? And you do all these only because I make use of money that belongs to me. I was only doing my business. I was earning myself. You used to blame me on that basis. Okay, then now it seems like you need my help. Okay, strange, really very strange. You come to me and say that Shylock, give us money. You say so, and you spat upon my beard. Remember that? And kicked, as you kicked away an unknown dog from your door. You did that also to me. Okay, then you now pray for money. What should my answer be? What do you think I should give you? Should I not say, can a dog have money? I could say that. Can a dog have money? Can a dog possibly lend you 3,000 ducats that you don't have? You are coming and asking me. Or should I bend low or in a very humble manner and in a very subdued tone? No, I would say that being a slave, oh sir, this money all belongs to you. Take it at any cost. I would say like this. Or you would kick me on such Wednesday. I remember the day also when you had kicked me like that. Another time you called me a dog. Remember? Then these acts of kindness, I shall lend you the sum of money which you require. But you see, I have forgotten everything. But I am lending you the money. That means he is giving money, but telling so much and giving. Okay. That a person will, the person with a very genuine person would not take. A person would be very much strong at heart, no? This much saying and giving. Now Antonio is almost sure that I will call you so, a dog. Saying, yeah, I don't think whatever I did was wrong. I spit it upon you and kicked you. If you lend the money, don't just, he's saying, I will repeat the same thing what I had said earlier. Okay. Before you think that you are giving a money to a friend, I am not your friend. Okay, don't think me as a friend. You think that you are giving a money to an enemy. Okay, not to a friend. Who? That you are giving as, and you pay you give money with an interest as well. Okay, I will pay the rate of interest, whatever you say. Lend your money to an enemy, as if he fails to pay back, without hesitation or delicacy, enforce a full penalty of it. You give money in that form. Shylock, why are you so furious? Why are you getting rage? Why are you angry? I wish you to be your friend. You say, now I don't have any grudge with you. That was your feeling, ill feeling for me. But I am not feeling that ill feeling. I don't have any wrong feeling for you. I am very good. I just want to have your love. I propose to forget all the insults that you heaped upon me. He's saying that. I have forgotten everything. Okay. And then he says that lastly, okay, I also intend to advance you the loan. Okay. And that too without charging even 1 pi of interest. I have decided that my love and a lot of love that I have for you, that will come out. That I am a person who usually earn through interest, but I have decided that I will not ask any interest on you, and you just need to give me the estimated sum, that is only the 3,000 ducats back. But still, would you listen to me? What offer I saw you for kindness? See, My kindness. Now Bassanio. It would certainly be kind. He said that would be a very kind act. Bassanio, Shylock. I will show this kindness. Come along to me to the notary public, solicitor, and sign to seal the personal bond. There will be a bond, you just need to sign it. Now just for fun's sake, okay, let me mention that the bond, if you fail to pay me on that particular day, that 3000 ducats in 3 months, if you fail to pay me the sum of money which is mentioned in the bond, the penalty will be assigned I'll be taking out a pound of flesh from your body. That will be the penalty. Okay, and remove from any part of the body that pleases me. That would be the condition. He said no, he will have one condition, that is the only condition. Antonius, okay, fine, agreed. Okay, I will execute such a bond and say that the Jew has a very kind, and I will for that I will say that a lot of generous act is being done by you. And Bassanio is telling that you will never sign a bond as such, okay, for my sake. That can take your life also, because in case if you fail to pay the bond, what, he will take the pound of flesh from your body parts, okay, that can kill you. Bassanio is not ready, okay, to make Antonio to sign the bond. Now Antonio said, really don't be afraid. I will not fail to pay the bond. My ships will be back within 2 months only, before the time gets expired. Okay, I'll giving, and I expect to pay him 9 times the money. That means 3 times more than what he is offering. I'll try to give that to him. Okay, now Shylock, oh Father Abraham, how conspicuous these Christian people are. These people are so confused. Okay, these Christians. Their own cruel behavior towards others teaches them to doubt other people's kind behavior. See, I am showing this much of kindness, but still they are doubting. These Christians are really foolish. I really request you answer my question. Suppose to fail the appointed day, what shall I gain to exact the penalty? Is asking. A pound of human flesh. You just imagine, what will I do with that pound of human flesh? That's for fun. That's actually okay, to cut off from a man, not even as a desirable. What, that mere pound of flesh that humans cannot eat also. Human, okay. It's not a beef or a mutton or a flesh of goat that I will just make a barbecue and eat it, right? So I make him the friendly offer just to win his friendship, and just making whatever came in my mouth, I just said that. Okay, so I will accept it. Well and good. If not, fine, then bye. What are your decisions, whether you will accept that or not? And for please, my good, I'll beg you not to hurt be my suspicion. Listen, please don't think me wrong. Okay, that was, I'm not doing out of any aggression or any kind of revenge. That's my love. I've forgotten everything that I said because I wanted to say. Antonio, okay, Shylock, I have decided that I will sign this bond. Antonio is ready. Shylock, okay, then directly come to the public notary, to the lawyer. Okay, give him instructions and to draw a supportive document. For now, I am going home to bring the money and also to visit my house. Okay, because my house is left over with a luckless fellow. Okay, luckless fellow, that means his servant, who is Lancelot. He believes Lancelot to be a very useless kind of servant. Okay, that's why I have to go and just see whether my house is in good condition or not. He is saying that. So he is going. Okay, Antonio. Hurry then, good Jew. The Jew is likely to become a Christian. He is getting kind. Now Antonio is thinking that maybe he is changing. He is trying to become good. That means trying to become Christian. Because by being Jew, he is always very much cunning and like a heartless person. Okay, Bassanio, I feel really suspicious. I don't see that he is showing a lot of generosity. He feels like he is a villain from outside. Okay, from inside. Now Antonius, okay, anyways, let us go. We'll go. Why to think over what he is and what not? I'll be able to pay money. That doesn't matter, because my that's not a concern. We got the money. We wanted it right now. We got from him. We are just borrowing from an enemy or a friend, whatever. Okay, I'll pay back the money, so it doesn't matter to at all the day of payment. When he has before, I think before the day of payment only I'll be able to pay the money, so it doesn't concern at all. Okay, it's not of our concern. So this happens in Act 1, Scene 3. Okay, I'll be providing you with the answers very soon, so please be focused.